Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever seen a super fast checkout button called Shopify and wondered what it is? Whether you are whether you are a buyer or a seller, in this video we will break down what Shopify is, how it works, and why it's changing the online shopping experience for everyone. Let's get started. So, what is Shopify? ShopPay is a fast and secure checkout service developed by Shopify. It saves your payment and shipping information so that next time you shop from any store that uses Shopify, you can check out in seconds, literally with just a tap. It's like Apple Pay or Google Pay, but made especially for online stores running on Shopify. Here's how it works for you as a customer. Step 1. You shop on a store powered by Shopify. At checkout, you will see a purple button that says Shop Pay. Click it and click it and enter your email or phone number. You will get a 6-digit code to confirm your identity. Step 5. Once verified, ShopPay autofills your shipping and payment information. That's it. Once you use it, ShopPay remembers your information securely for next time across any Shopify store. Now, what's so great about ShopPay? Speed. Checkout is 4x faster than manual entry. Security. Your information is encrypted and never shared with the store. Eco-friendly for every order made with ShopPay. Shopify offsets the carbon emissions from delivery. Installments. You can even split your purchase into four interest-free payments if eligible. If you are a store owner using Shopify, enabling Shopify is a no-brainer. It boosts conversion rates by making checkout easier. Customers are more likely to complete purchases with a faster checkout. You can turn it on from your Shopify admin dashboard. Go to Shopify, then click shopify.com, then log in. Now go to Settings tab, then Payments. Now manage ShopPay. Plus, customers can opt for ShopPay installments, and Shopify handles the risk. You get paid in full upfront. Here are some quick FAQs. Is ShopPay free? Yes, totally free for shoppers. Do I need a Shopify account? No, ShopPay works with just your email and phone number. It is safe, absolutely. It's built with a high level encryption and fraud protection. Whether you are shopping or selling, ShopPay makes online transaction quicker, safer, and even more eco-friendly. It's a small tool with a big impact on your e-commerce experience. So, if you are a seller, just open your Shopify, go to app section. Now select app and sales. Then go to Shopify App Store. Now search for ShopPay. Now install the app from here. So now pros of ShopPay for shoppers and sellers. Fast checkout speeds up the checkout process with saved payment and shopping information. Secure payments uses advanced encryption and SMS verification. No data is shared with stores. Convenience across stores. Once you use ShopPay once, you can use it on any Shopify store instantly. Installment option lets eligible buyers split payments into four interest-free installments. Eco-friendly. Shopify offsets carbon emissions for every Shopify purchase, making it a greener option. Increases sales. Higher conversion rates due to the frictionless checkout experience. Mobile friendly. Optimized for mobile, where slow checkouts usually cause dropped offs. Cons of ShopPay. Only for Shopify stores. It only works on websites that use Shopify as their e-commerce platform. Requires verification code every time. Some users may find the SMS verification slightly annoying or slow. No direct customer support for payment issues. Buyers need to contact the merchant first, not ShopPay directly. Limited installment options only available in some regions and for eligible users. No customer installment plans may not be recognized by all customers, unlike PayPal or Apple Pay. Some users might not know what ShopPay is yet. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I would love to help. So, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.